you guys? So today Oso is gonna be doing my makeup. Just kidding. Actually, I'm gonna be doing my makeup, and my boyfriend, who has no clue what the difference between eyeliner and mascara is gonna be narrating. So let's see how this goes. Let's get started.
For real though, I don't know what any of this stuff is, so she's gonna put lotion. It's lotion. She's gonna put it up to prep her skin. Gotta put that moisturizer on before you put on the makeup. It goes grace, giving the peace sign. Now she's using the eyebrow straightener. She's prepping up the eyebrows. I think it's a brush. Or is that actual makeup? Okay, it's a brush. She's prepping them. Getting those edges, those beautiful edges. Now she got the eyebrow foundation. The eyebrow edition. The one I bought you. Okay. Getting the bottom edges. She looks like a golden bird on her face. About to fly away. Okay, cool. She's wrapping it up, Eminem. Now she got the brush going on with the foundation, the little light parts. I guess those are for your pimps. Little pimples. Goodbye pimples. Pimples no more. Oh yeah. Get it. Get those pimples. Pimples no more. Now she's using her the nipple. The spongy nipple. She's getting that foundation. Now look, your face is golden now. No more shiny solar panel forehead. She's gonna add a little bit more foundation. Get those sleepy eye bags out the way. She's going for that 10,000 BC look. That pharaoh look that they used to do back then. Now she gotta spot them mugs away. Goodbye pimps. Yeah, get it, girl. I'm gonna get so much Starbucks today. Now it's time to brush. This is the powder foundation. Yes, get it, girl. Alright, cool. Just go ahead and brush it up. Add that little powder for it to dry up. Put some lip gloss on there. That was chapstick, I'm tripping. Now it's time to brush up the eyebrow. She's gonna use that eyebrow straightener. Oh, never mind, she's gonna put fake eyebrows. Cool. Put the fake eyebrows in. I'm fake. It's no longer Grace in the picture, it's Grace. Yeah, she's getting it. She knows she look good. Okay. Get those cheeky bones. Get them out the way. Make sure she look good. Spray some of that cologne, the perfume, my bad. And now it's time for the lip gloss. That's it, guys. Goodbye.
Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. You know, if you like it, thumbs up, subscribe, follow your girl, turn on the notifications. I really do hope you guys like this video because we had a lot of fun.